In this video I'm going to talk about our COM object, which can be downloaded and installed on a Windows PC. This provides a very easy programming interface and a lot of functionality which allows you to use to provide postcode lookup in your bespoke application or a website. Of course, .NET, VB, Classic ASP can all call this COM object, including Microsoft Access, etc., and many examples are included in the downloads. So to get the downloaded code, simply press the Back to Menu button, which you'll find at the bottom of this web page, which will take you back to the previous menu. Under the COM object section, click on More Information, and that will take you to this page here we see in front of us. This lists all the features and functionality of the COM object and how to use it. By adding a local data file plus some extra program files, the COM toolkit can use local-based data loaded on your PC or server for where the internet is not available. Let's scroll down, and I'm just going to download the data, which I can do from this link here. I've already downloaded that onto my PC, so here I am in the unzipped version of that example code. So in the root of that directory you can see we've got an install program which installs the COM object. In the COM directory you will find an example that's already compiled. Indeed, the source code is included for VB6. I'm just going to run that up. Now the first thing you need to do here is add your data key, which you will have been sent when you opened your account. And of course we give you 30-day evaluation on one postcode area. Now it's important to use the right data key. The one beginning with W is for web use for the public. If an employee of your own company wants to use the address lookup, whether it be on an application or a website, then it should have an I in front of it, in which case we track each individual user of the system. Now this example program here is a very simple example which explains some of the functionality. For instance, I've got a get full address. Now this is actually going to do is call functions within the COM object to produce a full address lookup, and there we can see the answer displayed on the screen. But that was actually using code. The COM object also includes its own user interface if you wish to use that. So you have the choice of providing your own interface or just simply using ours. If you use ours, then you can add address lookup within a matter of 4 or 5 lines of code. So if I just click on here, you can see it's popped up box, which is actually provided by the COM object this time. And there's the replied data. That also allows us to do an advanced search, so we could actually search for Comtech in WizBeach, and you can see there it's typing ahead in those boxes, and thus we've done an advanced sort of wildcard search there, searching for an address. So as I say, that's provided in our own user interface. And of course you may want to use thoroughfare or street address, in which case there's a street address functionality and the PostZon address. Indeed, it will actually get the distance between two postcodes using the PostZon data, so that's 1.1 kilometre or 1 mile between those two postcodes. And we can also get a map using Google Maps, so that displays the map very simply. We also have some additional functionality that if you apply to be a reseller, we give you a reseller code. Now you can easily add to your own application the facility for your software to go to our website to create an account for that individual customer. But the important thing is that customer would then be linked to your account, so you would receive your reseller commission on any of their turnover.